Meaning of fretted.
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 Fretted. The term fretted has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. It can refer to a type of musical instrument that has frets, which are small ridges along the neck that divide the strings into different notes. Alternatively, it can describe a feeling of worry or anxiety, which often leads to restlessness and agitation. In woodworking, fretted can refer to intricate patterns or designs cut into wood using a fret saw. Additionally, fretted can describe an object or surface that has been worn away or eroded by repeated friction or rubbing.